Now take a look at the USDCAD currency pair. As all of you guys notice that USDCAD currency pair is hovering near the 1.2960 support level, and overall the trend of the USDCAD is bullish. But how you will take the entry? Bullish trend is minor bullish trend, but market is looking like that it will break the market overall break the H for this trend line pattern, and hovering below that, because this is the biggest gap bar, and this gap bar break the support level of 130.1.30 level. As the crude oil market is moving in the upside direction, test the support, then test the resistance of the trend line. Now what happened next? According to my point of view, that if any H4 candle close below this EMA 50 1.2940 level, then you will take the sell entry up to the 1.2870 as the first target, because this is looking clearly that it will go in the bearish direction, because the market is continuously holding outside this H4, you can say, trend line, and market cannot make the higher high, and still hovering at the support level. So it have ability that market break that support level and continue the bearish direction toward the 1.2870. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Your continuous supports needed.